Well, I'm 17 weeks pregnant, and I just found out what we're having. My husband and I found out on the phone today. I actually 36 years old now, and so they recommended genetic testing, which was just done through my blood work, so it was nothing invasive to the baby. And so about a week ago, last Wednesday actually, I had my blood taken, and then I got the results back today, which is a Wednesday. It was 1 week later, and thankfully everything looks good on the screenings that they checked. With that, you can for sure find out the baby's gender. So my husband and I both know what it is, but we didn't tell the kids that we know what it is today, because I waited for them to go to bed and made a gender reveal cake. We've never done any kind of gender reveal thing because we've always taken our kids with us for the sonogram, and I'm assuming they're figuring that's what we'll do with this one, so they're going to not be expecting this. And the younger kids are out of town right now, so we're going to have to tell them later and do something special with them. But the older kids are the ones that are going to be involved tomorrow. Okay, mine's on. Is yours on?
Y'all gotta take to see if it's a boy or a girl. And whatever color it is, it's a girl. If it's pink, it's a girl. And if it's blue, it's a boy.
It's a girl.
Alright, get the cake out.
No, it's gonna be a boy. Cause
It's gonna be pink.
They wouldn't make a big deal about it if it was a girl.
I am so smart as.
Can I cut it?
No, don't cut the bear. Don't kill the little bear.
Can I cut it?
Yes.
It's like,
Wait, I thought you were going to have her.
Her what?
You didn't tell them.
Here, stop, sit down. Not done. Hey, stop,
it's
stop.
gonna be blue on the other side. Watch.
It's not gonna be brilliant. Sit down, David, sit down. Don't be upset.
I bet it's a twin.
David, sit down, sit down.
No, it's not twins.
Hey, it's the color in the middle. You gotta make sure it's pink.
She's gonna be blue. Watch.
You're supposed to say from the beginning.
No, cut it right.
I worked hard on that cake. Don't devour it.
It looks really good.
Cut it right, Tara.
How do you cut it right? It's in a pan. Oh no, it's blue. There's blue in the middle.
It's a boy. Yes, that's a boy.
No, they don't know. They don't know.
Cut it and take a piece.
No, I had blood work. It's for sure.
It's for sure.
It's for sure.
Wait, take a piece out. Take a piece out. Take a piece out.
See, look, it's gonna be a boy.
What is it? Cut
It's
it.
twin.
Not twins. Cut it out.
It's
You're
a
right.
boy.
Cut it out. You do
To
it.
cut a regular piece.
How do I cut it?
You cut it like
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's the color.
What's in the middle of the cake?
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Color's little cake, Mom.
The boy.
The middle is still just the middle.
I told you it would be a boy.
Although it is kind of like 4 layers because I put so much icing on.
It's a boy. It's a boy. No, it's funny. So it's a boy? So is it a boy? In that case, it's gonna be spoiled.
David, they can't mess up on blood work. It's a boy.
What? Middle is blue.
You're gonna have a baby brother.
Go to Florida.
There's gonna be a baby
Who
boy.
do you live with, Abigail?
Oh, she wants cake. You want cake? Abigail, Rachel wants cake.
Myself.
Abigail.
I live with Gabby.
You don't want to go.
Abigail, Rachel wants cake.
Yeah, I will.
No,
Rachel wants cake. Rachel, you can have
I
cake.
will have 10 siblings. That kid's gonna be spoiled.
No, it's gonna be the best thing ever.
Yeah, you're gonna spoil it. Y'all are all gonna spoil it.
This was awesome.
Too late.
That was awesome.
And puts a bad song.
Why are you on the table? That's
Oh, I've got a blood. What'd you say, Sarah?
11.
David's gonna have to change diapers.
No.
Yes. Stay back.
Boy.
Rachel, you can have a little brother, a
When he
baby.
was 8.
Too late, I said.
Oh, yeah. Do you know what's in there? Look, David.
If it's not a pin,
Dad said he was wrong. Sour Patch Kid. Dome. My dome. My water bottle. My drinking particularly. Dome.
Blue hair.
You do.
Sour Patch Kid. Oh! Mine. Wait, nothing in here.
Sarah.
It's all coasters.
Gum.
Get off the table, John.
Get another balloon. How do I? Hey,
Get off the table.
Show me why there's sour patch.